Alright, in this video I'll show you how UI Replicator works. So I'm working on a project and I am looking for some UIs that would fit my project, but I have a problem. I don't want to spend time cloning UIs, and I really like what Peter Levels did here. So Photo AI looks amazing. The landing page is gorgeous. And I want to build something similar, but I don't want to spend the time to clone it myself. So the solution is UI Replicator. I just go on this website and I'll hit the extension and it will start downloading. And as you can see, it is already done. It is that fast. So I'll save this and I'll show you in a second how it looks like. I don't know if you saw the pop-up, but it was a pop-up. Here you can see the page. So it cloned the website. First, I'm going to show you the original, and this is the original. So here's how it looks like. I'll just scroll a bit through it so you can see more of it, more of the page. All right, and now I'm going to show you the clone. This is the clone, the replicated version that UI Replicator made. I can't even notice a difference. Now, you have some elements like this hero section where maybe he has a video. I don't know what it is behind that hero section. Maybe it is a video. And sometimes when you have videos like this with CDNs, so let's say that he has a cloud